Hey guys, it's Vicki Kenner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style, and today I am super duper duper excited to share with you it's January. My January Whiff box. Oh my gosh, I got it half price in my Scentsy club, and I am super excited to open it. I already know what's in it because I watched another consultant do their unboxing, but I know it's fantastic. So you guys, let's do this. All right, so let's open this up. It says Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, I love this. Scent with love. And look at, like, Scentsy is all about attention to detail. I always reuse these. How cute are these? So, okay, so let's go through this. All right, so we got pink cotton washer whiffs, which I'm super excited about. I've never tried pink cotton laundry. Ooh, that smells so good. Ooh, so we got pink cotton washer whiffs. And what else did we get? Ooh, lavender cotton. Oh, lavender cotton Scentsy Fresh. I haven't tried it in this scent. I'm actually really excited about this because I've never tried it in this scent. And look at how pretty. They've like updated our packaging. And I think they did a great job. Hold on, let me turn it. Isn't that pretty? They really, really made them pleasing to the eye. So these both have like little cotton on them. That's pretty. I love the art. Okay. And then we have a bar of the scent of the month, which is Sun Ripened Berries, which is phenomenal. I sold a ton of this month. It's such a good scent, you guys. I sold room sprays and scent circles. This is good stuff. Okay, and then I got dryer discs as well. In Palm Beach Breeze. I haven't tried this scent either. See, I like when they send me stuff that I haven't tried. I get excited about that because, like, I get stuck. I absolutely love my black raspberry vanilla, but I went nuts. And every time I had free and half price stuff, I was getting my laundry stuff thinking, well, Vicki, you're always going to need it, right? So might as well get it free and half price. But I ended up with a ton. And then that means I haven't been able to try, this is the laundry liquid from Pink Cotton. They gave me that. And two laundry liquids of Pink Cotton, which I'm going to use. This is usually for like a small load. I'm going to throw them both in there and do, I have a really large blanket. And I'm going to throw those whiffs in. But I'm excited to try this one. It's Palm Beach Breeze, the dryer discs. And the dryer discs are cool. You get 2 for $7. So I'm going to try all of this. But yeah, so I haven't tried any new scents. I've just been like stuck on my black raspberry vanilla. And I need to venture out. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, you guys, that was the whole box. That was a really good box. So I'm super excited to try this stuff. Try things that I haven't. Well, I've tried the product, but not that scent. So that's what I love about the Whiff box. Get you out of your comfort zone. You're like, oh, wait, I've never tried that. I'm going to do it. So that is the Whiff box for January 2022. I know it's the end of the month, and I usually like to get my Whiff box on the 1st so that I have it early. But this time it just wasn't in the cards. But I'm super excited to have it now. All right, you guys, I'll talk to you later.